The wait is finally over, and drone enthusiasts around the world can hardly contain their excitement because the DJI Mini 5 Pro is now officially confirmed, and with it comes a host of stunning and shocking features that have left the drone community buzzing with anticipation. For years, DJI has been the undisputed leader in consumer drone technology, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in a compact flying machine. Every generation of the Mini series has redefined expectations by packing professional-grade features into a body that remains under the 250-gram limit, making it not only powerful but also incredibly accessible to users around the globe. With the arrival of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, it seems DJI has once again outdone itself. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Delivering a drone that doesn't just improve upon its predecessor but takes the entire compact drone category into uncharted territory. To truly understand why the Mini 5 Pro has become such a sensational topic in the drone industry, we need to take a closer look at its design philosophy, technological upgrades, camera performance, flight stability, smart AI-driven features, and of course, the much-discussed improvements that have sparked heated conversations across forums, YouTube reviews, and social media. The confirmation of the DJI Mini 5 Pro came after months of speculation, leaks, and insider reports. Many enthusiasts suspected that DJI would skip the incremental release and jump straight to a Pro version with massive upgrades to justify the new launch. And now that the confirmation is here, it is crystal clear that DJI was holding back a true powerhouse for the Mini lineup. The first aspect that makes the Mini 5 Pro stand out is its redesigned aerodynamic body, which is both lighter and sturdier. DJI engineers have managed to maintain the drone under the crucial 249-gram weight limit while integrating higher capacity sensors, better motors, and an improved cooling system. Early leaked images and now confirmed prototypes show slightly extended arms for better propeller efficiency, ensuring quieter flights and more stable hovering even in windy conditions. This seemingly small detail will make a huge difference for both casual flyers and professional content creators who often rely on drones for precise shots in unpredictable environments. Perhaps the biggest jaw-dropping revelation about the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. For years, compact drones have struggled to balance size with image quality, but DJI seems to have cracked the code with the Mini 5 Pro. The new drone reportedly houses a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive leap from the smaller sensors seen in earlier models. This means the Mini 5 Pro can now compete with larger, more expensive drones in terms of image clarity, low light performance, and dynamic range. Photographers and videographers are particularly excited about the confirmed 4K at 120 frames per second video recording, allowing for buttery smooth slow-motion shots that were previously impossible in the Mini category. Combine this with 48-megapixel still images, raw photo support, HDR video, and improved color science, and you begin to realize that DJI has packed a near-professional camera into a drone that can literally fit in your pocket. One of the most shocking features revealed is the introduction of global shutter technology to eliminate rolling shutter issues. This is a groundbreaking step because rolling shutter distortion has always been a common complaint in drones when filming fast-moving subjects or during high-speed flights. With global shutter, every frame is captured in a way that prevents jello effects and wobble, resulting in crystal-clear cinematic footage even in challenging situations. But DJI didn't stop at just improving the hardware.